Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Now go to the problem. Let star be the binary operation on capital N given by A star B equal to LCM of A and B. Find first one 5 star 7, 20 star 60. Second one is star commutative. Third one is star associative. Fourth one, find the identity of star in N. Fifth one, which elements of N are invertible for the operation star. Here, binary operation is star defined and set up all natural numbers. Here, binary operation defined here. A star B equal to LCM of A and B for all N. AB belongs to here N. Set up all natural numbers. A star B, a star defined here. LCM of A and B. First one here 5 star 7. A star B LCM of A and B. 5 star 7 LCM of 5 and 7. So LCM of 5 and 7 here. 5 into 7 35. There is no common factor other than 1 is directly multiply. Next here 20 star 60. Important for 1 mark also. 20 star 16 means LCM of 20 and 60. What is LCM of 20 and 16? 4 5 4 4 LCM is nothing but 4 into 5 into 4. 20 into 4 80. Play the LCM of 20 and 16 8. Next, second one is a problem. Is star commutative means A star B equal to B star means plus star is commutative. You know that. Here I am taking two elements like AB belongs to N here. A star B, here binary operation defined, LCM of A and B. Now take B star A. B star A equal to LCM of B and A. Got it. Here example here, one example 5 star 7 means LCM of 5 and 7 35. Correct. Suppose 7 star 5 means same, just interchange two elements. LCM of 7 and 5, 75, 35. Both are same, correct. Therefore, here LCM of A and B equal to LCM of B and A. LCM of B and A we can write LCM of A and B. These two are equal, obviously. Therefore, A star B equal to B star A for all AB belongs to N. Therefore, star is commutative. Star is commutative. Third one is star associative. Associative property. A star B of star C equal to A star of B star C. For all ABC belongs to given set means star is associative. Got it. Here I am taking three elements in given set N. Let A, B, C belongs to N. LHS A star B of star C. First within bracket I am defining binary operation. A star B equal to LCM of A and B. Here A star B LCM of A and B star C. Next, this is first element here. Just X star C you can take. Here binary operation defined LCM of X and C. Here X equal to what means this is LCM of A and B. So clearly this is nothing but here LCM of here three elements A, B and C. Therefore directly we can write here LCM of A and B and C means we can write directly LCM of A, B and C. Called as equation 1. RHS A star of B star C A star, within bracket I am defining binary operation. B star C, star define LCM of B and C. LCM of B and C. Next here, star here. First element, second element. LCM of A and this B and C. This means directly we can write LCM of here A, B and C. Right, B and C. Call it as equation 2. From equations 1 and 2, clearly both are equal. LCM of A, B and C, LCM of A and B, A, B and C, both are equal. Therefore, A star B of star C, this is equal to A star of B star C for all A, B, C belongs to N. Therefore, star is associative. Star is associative. So mind it, very easy one. Your binary operation star defined. A star B equal to LCM of A and B. 5 star 7, LCM of 5 and 7. 5 and 7 means 5 into 7, 35. Next, 20 star 16, LCM of 20 and 16. 20 and 16, clearly LCM is 80, mind it. 80. So clearly it is commutative. A star B LCM of A and B. B star A LCM of B and A. Clearly LCM of B and A, this is equal to LCM of A and B. Clearly both are equal. Therefore A star B equal to B star A for our A B belongs to A. Therefore star is commutative. Clearly it is associative. Let take 3 elements. Let A, B, C belongs to given set N. LHS now A star B of star C. First within bracket define binary operation. A star B LCM of A and B. Next star C as it is. Next here first one, this is second one. LCM of first one and second one. Here LCM of here first one A, B and C directly. Called as equation 1. RHS A star of B star C. A star of within bracket here binary operation defining LCM of B and C. Next I am defining binary operation star. LCM of A and here second one B and C. Again LCM. LCM of A and LCM of B and C means LCM of 3 elements A, B and C. Called as equation 2 from 1 and 2. LHS equal to RHS. For all A, B, C belongs to N. Therefore, star is associative. Now, go to your fourth one. Find the identity of star in N. What is the definition of identity? A star E equal to A equal to E star A. Mandi. A star E equal to A. E star A equal to A. Here E is called the identity element. We know that this is the definition. Here E is called the identity element here. A with E equal to A itself with respect to operation star. Here same here. Then here E is called the identity element here. Fourth one, let I am taking here A belongs to N. A belongs to N. So one thing mind it here, the LCM of here 2 and 1 2, correct. The LCM of suppose 3 and 1 3. The LCM of 4 and 1 equal to 4. The LCM of any element with 1 equal to element itself with respect to operation star. Therefore here you can say that 1 is the identity element. LCM of any element here. Suppose A star 1. The LCM of A and 1, A into 1 A, that's it. Because this is 1 means A into 1 A directly. Correct. Directly I am taking here. A star 1 here I am taking. A star 1. A binary operation defined here. LCM of A and B. LCM of A and 1. LCM of A and 1 is what? A. Next here 1 star A. LCM of 1 and A, again A. 1 star A. LCM of 1 and A. 1 and A, 1 into A. Correct. So clearly A star 1 equal to A. 1 star A equal to A. Therefore A star 1 equal to A. This is equal to 1 star A. For all here A belongs to N. So clearly, which is of the form clearly, A star E equal to A equal to E star A. Mind it here. A star E equal to again A. Here A star 1 equal to A means, here what about E? E equal to 1. This is called the identity element. Got it? Here E equal to 1 here. 1 star A equal to A. Here 1 here. E equal to 1. 1 means a natural number. It belongs to N. Is the identity element. So next, fifth one, which elements of N are invertible for the operation star? You know that inverse law definition, A star B equal to identity element, B star A equal to identity element. A star B equal to your identity element, B star A equal to identity element. Then we say that here B is called the inverse of A. That means here A is invertible. A is invertible means its inverse exists. Now I am writing definition of inverse. An element A belongs to N is said to be invertible if there exists an element B in same set N such that A star B equal to E equal to B star E. The definition. Here an element A is invertible if there exists an element B in N such that A star B equal to E equal to B star A. Here we have identity element here. Is the E equal to 1 here. Substitute here. E equal to 1 here. Means A star B equal to here E equal to 1 equal to B star A. Correct. Here A star B means LCM of A and B. For what values of A and B you get 1 here. For what values of A and B? A and B means here. This is possible only when A equal to 1, B equal to 1. 1 star 1, 1. Suppose here A equal to 2, 2 star 1, 2. Correct. For what values of A and B you get 1 means here A equal to B equal to 1. Here A star B is LCM of A and B equal to 1. B star A LCM of B and A. So this is possible only when A equal to B equal to 1. Mind it. This case is possible only when A equal to B equal to 1 means, this means here 1 star 1 equal to 1, 1 star 1 equal to 1. This is identity element. So therefore here 1 is called here, only here 1 is called inverse of 1. 1 is called here inverse of 1. Mind it. Therefore inverse of 1 exists, but inverse of other natural numbers cannot exist. For example here 2 star 1 equal to 2, 1 star 2 equal to 2. But identity element here 1, this is identity element definition. Here E must be here 1 here. But 2 star 1 cannot be 1. 1 star 2 cannot be 1. Got it. Therefore, here inverse of any natural number does not exist except 1, because 1 star 1 equal to 1, 1 star 1 equal to 1. This here clearly it is identity element. Are following? 1 is the identity element. Therefore, here 1 is called inverse of 1. Therefore, inverse of one first natural number exists, but inverse of other natural numbers does not exist. Here, therefore, we can say that 1 is the only invertible element. Yes, 1 is the only invertible element of natural number with respect to operation. Got it? Very important. Fourth one here, find the identity means here, like A star 1, LCM of A and 1 equal to A. 1 star A, LCM of 1 and A, 1 and A equal to A. Got it? Well, A star 1 equal to A, 1 star A equal to A, 1 star A equal to A. Clearly, this is the identity element here. A star A equal to A. Means 1 star A equal to A means here 1 is here E equal to 1. It is the identity element. Which elements of n are invertible means first write definition of invertible. An element A belongs to n is invertible if there exists an element, another element B in n such that A star B equal to E, this is equal to B star A. Here we have identity element here, E equal to 1, identity element here. Substitute here, A star B equal to here, E equal to 1, B star A. Here A star B means LCM of A and B. B star A means LCM of B and A. For what values of A and B we get 1 means, when A equal to B equal to 1, only we get 1. Are following? Suppose here A equal to B equal to 1 means 2 star 1 here, 2 we get, but not we get identity element here. 1. Identity element if we get here E equal to 1, when A equal to B equal to 1 we get 1. If you take other natural numbers we will not get 1. Got it? Therefore here inverse of 1 exists. Therefore yes, 1 is the only invertible element. So next, ninth problem. Is star defined on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by A star B equal to LCM of A and B, a binary operation. Justify your answer. Justify your answer. Here is star defined on this set here by here A star B equal to LCM of A and B. A binary operation means a star is a binary operation or not. We have to verify. Justify your answer. We know that binary operation definition means you take any two elements in the given set which gives unique element in the same set with respect to operation, given operation, then we say that star is called a binary operation, otherwise not. Here binary operation defined A star B equal to LCM of A and B, where A comma B belongs to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it here. Here the LCM of say observe here binary operation defined A star B equal to LCM of A and B. Suppose now take 1 star 2. LCM of 1 and 2, 2. Suppose 1 and 3. LCM of 1 and 3, 3. 3 belongs to given set. Suppose 2 and 3. 2 star 3. The LCM of 2 and 3, 6. 6 is it belongs to given set. 6 is not belongs to given set means star is not a binary operation. That you can take one example, prove that it is not a binary operation. When we say that here star is a binary operation means you take any two elements which gives unique element, single element with respect to operation star in the same set, then star is a binary operation. Here for example if you take here 2 and 3, the LCM of 2 and 3 6, 6 is not belongs to given set means it is not a binary operation. Or you can take 2 and 5 here. The LCM of 2 and 5 10, 10 is not belongs to given set. Therefore star is not a binary operation. So here I am taking, see anywhere A equal to 2, B equal to 3. Here A equal to 2, 2 star, B equal to 3. 2 star 3, LCM of 2 and 3. 2 into 3, 6. 6 doesn't belongs to given set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is not belongs to given set, means here, therefore star is not a binary operation. That's it. Or you can take 2 star 5. Tenth problem. Let star be the binary operation on n defined by a star b equal to highest common factor of a and b star is star commutative. Question: is star associative? Does there exist identity for this binary operation on n? Question mark. Let star with a binary operation on set of all natural numbers defined by a star b equal to, means here highest common factor of a and b. Verify if star is commutative, is star associative. Next, does there exist identity for this binary operation on n? A star here defined a star b equal to highest common factor of a and b. This means for all here a and b belongs to given set n. Is star commutative here? First one take. Star commutative means, so clearly my dear, highest common factor of suppose 4 and 5 here. So 4 star 5. Highest common factor of 4 and 5 is what? What is the highest common factor here? 1 here. 5 star 4. What is the highest common factor of 5 and 4? 1. Obviously it is 2. Correct. Therefore clearly it is commutative. Clearly it is associative. Therefore I am taking here elements. I am going to prove here. Let take two elements. A comma b belongs to given set n. A star b, here binary operation defined, highest common factor of a and b. Highest common factor of a and b. B star a means highest common factor of b and a. So clearly highest here means both a and b just here interchanged here, b and a are just a and b elements. Therefore this can be written as highest common factor of a and b. Both are equal here. Got it? Therefore a star b equal to b star a for all a b belongs to n. Therefore star is commutative. Star is commutative. Next, second one, if star associative means here, taking three elements here. Let A, B, C belongs to n. LHS A star B of star C. First, within bracket I defined binary operation. Binary operation defined A star B equal to highest common factor of A and B. A star B, highest common factor of A and B. Star C, similar to last one. LCM. Here first element, star second element. Here binary operation defined, star defined, highest common factor of first element and second element here. Here highest common factor of directly write first element and second element means it has three different elements A, B and C. Directly write A, B and C. Call it as equation 1. Now A star of B star C. First A star take as it is. Now within bracket define binary operation. Here I am defining star defined means B star is equal to highest common factor of B and C. Highest common factor of B and C. Correct here. Here first element and second element this is. Here binary operation defined star equal to what? Highest common factor of A and this second one. A and second one means write there like this. Highest common factor of A and B and C. Highest common factor of A directly B and C. Called as equation 2. From equations 1 and 2, what about? Here both are equal, therefore here LHS equal to RHS. A star B of star C, this is equal to A star of B star C for all A, B, C belongs to N. Therefore, star is associative. Got it? So clearly it is commutative minded because A star B equal to B star A. Highest common factor of A and B equal to highest common factor of B A and A. So clearly it is associative. They take ABC belongs to N. A star B of star C. Here A star B, here highest common factor of A and B, star C as it is. Again, A star C form highest common factor of here A, B and C. Called as equation 1. Similarly, here A star of B star C. A star B star C means highest common factor of B and C. Again defining here binary operation star. Highest common factor of A, B and C called as equation 2. From 1 and 2 both are equal, therefore star is associative. Next we shall verify does there exist identity element here for this binary operation or not, means whether identity element exists or not, to verify that. So now I am writing definition. Definition A star E equal to A. An element here E belongs to N is called the identity element. Identity element for the operation star. If definition A star E equal to A equal to E star A for all A belongs to N. Mind it. A star equal to A, E star A equal to A means clearly we say that here E is called the identity element. This is the definition here. Here we have to verify whether identity element exists or not. Mind it. Some examples I am taking here. Suppose 1 star 1. Highest common factor of 1 and 1 is 1. 1 star 1. Highest common factor of 1 and 1 is 1. Suppose here 2 star 1. What about 1 star 2? Highest common factor of 2 and 1, 1 not 2. LCM is 2, but here highest common factor of 2 and 1, 1. According to definition, if it is 2 means, here we say that 1 is the identity element. But 2 star 1 cannot be 2 here. Clearly it is 1. Highest common factor of 1 and 2 is 1. Suppose 3 star 1, 1 star 3. What is the highest common factor of 3 and 1? 1. Suppose this is 3 means, we can say that here 1 is the, this is 2 means. Highest common factor of 3 and 1 is 1 but not 3. Here but not 3. Highest common factor of 2 and 1 is 1 but not 2. This is not possible. Therefore, identity element does not exist. Identity element satisfies for every element in the given set with respect to given operation star means, then we say that that particular element is the identity element. Got it? Otherwise not. In this case, not satisfies 1. 2 star 1 cannot be 2 means here identity element does not exist. Directly we can write this is not possible for all natural numbers, therefore identity element does not exist. This case this is not possible for all natural number, for all a belongs to n, for all a belongs to natural number, therefore identity element does not exist. Does not exist. An example we can take. Example, suppose 2 star 1 cannot be 2. Example, here 1 cannot be identity element. Got it? Just to write definition of identity, an element E belongs to n is called the identity element if A star E equal to A, E star A equal to A, E is called the identity element. It is not possible for all natural numbers. For all natural numbers. Cannot get here. Here see, A star E equal to A means here. A star E equal to A means here. 2 star 1, here we get 1. But not 2. Cannot be 2 here. So therefore, your identity element does not exist. CT problem. CT problem is 59th problem. Two functions f from R to R and g from R to R are defined as follows. F of x equal to 0, x is rational, 1, x is irrational, g of x equal to -1, x is rational, 0, x is irrational. Then GOF of E plus FOG of phi is equal to A option -1, B option 0, C option 1, D option 2. The two functions f from R to R and g from R to R are defined as follows. Here f of x equal to a range, we have two values, 0 here if x is rational, 1 if x is irrational. Next, g of x equal to -1 if x is rational, g of x equal to 0 if x is irrational. Then what about this value? GOF of E plus FOG of phi. This can be written as, we know that G of f of E. This can be written as f of g of phi. Correct. One thing mind it, clearly E value 2.303, E value clearly E is rational number. E is rational number. Pi means clearly it is irrational. Got it. Here E is rational means, first I am writing here f of E value. Here E is rational number. What about f of E? Here x is rational, then range will f equal to 0. Here E is rational here, domain is rational here, E is rational, then f of E value 0. F of E value 0 because here E is rational. F of E 0 plus here f of g of pi. Clearly pi it is an irrational number. pi is an irrational number, then what about g of pi? Here pi is irrational means, here see in this case, here x is irrational, then what about g value 0? Here pi is irrational, g of pi value 0. G of pi value 0. Next here, clearly 0 is rational number. 0 is a rational means here. Here x is rational, then what about f of here rational equal to 0? 0 here, g of 0 here. 0 is here rational, x is rational, g value minus 1. 0 is rational, g of 0 value minus 1 plus f of 0. If 0 is rational, then what about f value? F value 0. Minus 1 plus 0 minus. Clearly, A option is the right option. Got it? GOF of A plus FOG of phi. You can written as G of f of A plus f of g of phi. Mind it. So clearly here E is minded. E is rational means clearly here E is rational. F value what about means 0 here. F of E equal to 0. Next f of g of phi. Clearly pi is irrational number. What about g of pi? Here if pi is irrational means g of pi value 0. Here clearly 0 is rational number, g of 0. 0 is rational, g of 0 equal to minus 1. Plus if 0 is rational, what about f of 0? 0 is rational, f of 0 equal to 0 minus. Okay, thank you.